this is some questions. But one thing I always love when I sit down and do interviews on my podcast, I always try to think what the viewers are thinking. I'm going to throw out two popular terms that you probably hear a lot, and I want to hear from your attorney perspective. Credit repair. What's your thoughts even on that? People say, well, I'll just do credit repair, and that fits the bankruptcy situation.
It depends. Sometimes bankruptcy is not the best option for an individual. There may be other means by which to resolve their financial issues, and credit repair may be viable for them. It may be renegotiating the loan agreements. That may be a viable option for them. It may be refinancing a mortgage. That may be a more viable option for them versus filing bankruptcy. There are other ways to assist a client other than straight out filing bankruptcy. But the only way to determine that is to look at the person's total financial picture, collect the information, and then you advise them appropriately. Which
leads me, I guess, to this next term I see a lot. When you see these TV commercials like debt consolidation and debt settlement. How, even with that, people I'll give you a scenario, it'll say, well, this company will take over all your debt, or, what's the other ones, like, credit. Say you go to, I'm not trying to say the company in particular. Say if you go to, a debt consolidation place, and then they say, well, we'll put all your debts and you pay one monthly bill. What are some of the things you would caution clients if they went that route sometimes?
There's a disadvantage to that process. Okay. One of the major disadvantages, you don't have the protection the federal court, the federal laws to protect you, the consumer, from those continual phone calls from the creditors. Those creditors that are part of this reconsolidation, this debt consolidation, they're not bound to stop calling you. Okay? They're not required to stop sending you notices. Those phone calls can still continue to come. If the company that you choose to do this debt consolidation don't make those payments in a timely manner, then you're right where you started from. It does not prevent foreclosures. If you're in the middle of a foreclosure or about to be foreclosed on, there is no guarantee that your foreclosure will not go forward.
Yeah.
Do you know what's happening in Birmingham? Find out now with the all-new What's Happening Birmingham app. Download today on Android, iPhone, and iPad for free. Get info on everything you need to know about local news, events, businesses, restaurants, and more. Visit our website, what'shappeningbirmingham.com, follow us on Twitter at HappeningBham, or call us at 205-538-4508. Download the What's Happening Birmingham app today. What's Happening Birmingham, your source for everything Birmingham.